Hi YouTube, welcome to our brand new channel TXE Tells All. My name is Tracy and I'm excited about sharing information with you on this new channel along with my business partner Larita. Check out her recent video which talks about how to make 6 figures working remotely, completely remote from home. We'll be posting content on our channel about everything from our professional lives as attorneys to our business ventures. We started a new business about a year ago called TXE Holdings LLC that focuses on real estate and other types of investments. So we'll be talking about that journey with you and just other personal stuff. We're excited about it. And we look forward to continuing the channel and hopefully providing informative and interesting content for you and all of our subscribers. So if you like what you hear and see on this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you know when we post new videos, and also like this video if this information is important or helpful to you. The stuff that I'll be talking about today is personal to me, and it is all about the journey of failing the bar exam. That was my story back in 2012. I took the Maryland bar exam after I finished law school, and I failed it. It was definitely a devastating blow to me, but I knew that I did not put the time in, so the result that I got was commensurate with the time that I put in. But I'm here to tell you today that if that is your story, I'm living proof that you can be a successful attorney on the other side. You just have to come up with a plan. So I think there's 3 important things to think about if you find yourself in that situation. I failed the bar exam. 1, what's my next step? What's my plan? 2, how am I going to pay for it? And 3, how long is it going to take me? So those were the main 3 questions that I had to ask myself after I got done crying and picked myself up off the floor after I failed the Maryland bar exam in 2012. My plan included Themis. That was the bar review course that I chose to take. I ended up taking New York and New Jersey the second time around instead of Maryland. And so I took Themis for both of those. The thing that sold me about Themis was in their advertisements, they pushed that if you learned 70% of the information they gave you in their bar study course and learned it well, you should be good on the bar exam. That was important to me because it alleviated some of the anxiety I had about bar review study courses that just give you so much information and expect you to learn it in such a short period of time. Now, don't get me wrong. I know the bar exam is serious. There's a lot of information in those bar exam questions and you have to know it. But working with a bar study course that kind of eliminated some of it and said, learn 70% of it like the back of your hand and you'll be good, helped me. And I definitely did that. I learned 70% of the information and I went into the New York and New Jersey bar exam confident and came out successful on the other side. So pick a bar review study course or pick a plan. If you're not going to use a course, what study materials are you going to use? 2, how are you going to pay for it? If you've been there before, you know the bar exam can be super expensive and bar review courses are also expensive. The second time around, I was fortunate to have some family support. So I was blessed in that respect. If that's your story, definitely use those resources if you can. If it's not, I know the first time around, I actually took out a bar study loan, which was very helpful. It gave me the ability to pay for everything that I needed to, as well as my living expenses while I studied the first time around. I use Discover. I'll leave a link for Discover bar study loans, even though I have a love-hate relationship with loans in general, as you can probably appreciate if you graduated from law school and had to take out loans to do it. But it is a viable option if you need money to just pay for the fees that are associated with the bar exam. The third thing, how long is it going to take you? The bar is offered in February and July. If you are able to go ahead and just take it the next round, that's great. If you're not, figure out how long it's going to take you and really stick to the date when you're going to take it the next time. And then the other part of it is what your daily study schedule is going to be. For me, the second time around with New York and New Jersey, it was a full-time job. 8:30 to 5 p.m. Monday through Saturday. That was my study schedule, and it helped me to know where I needed to be and how long I needed to be there. This is a full-time job. You don't get paid, but you will get paid if you pass the bar. So that's how I looked at it. I also took Texas later on. We'll talk about that in another video. And when I took Texas, I was working full-time, so my study schedule was a little different. But as part of your plan, just make sure you know what is the time commitment. how long is this whole journey going to take me? So I hope that provides you, if you are in a situation that you failed the bar, I hope that provides you with some solace, knowing that you're not alone and knowing that you can fail the bar and be a successful attorney on the other side. That's part of my story, and I hope it's helpful to you. If you have any questions or comments about this video, feel free to leave me a comment below or a question below, and I'll be happy to answer it. Thank you so much, and don't forget, subscribe and like if you like what you see, and look out for new content. Thanks.